The deployment feature enables customers to move assets from one organization to another or set up a new organization with assets from different organizations easily, with all the dependencies and additional post-deployment checks. Deployment can be used to do SDLC deployments from dev to QA or QA to prod, or between any of these environments. As a result of this, the time needed to move assets selectively for testing during an upgrade or for troubleshooting is reduced. During pre-release, deployment can be used for regression testing in addition to leveraging the capability of asset recommendations. Deployment can be used to troubleshoot to move assets from a higher environment to a lower one. The deployment capability enables customers to move assets from the source organization to the target organization in a single, straightforward stream step rather than carrying out numerous manual procedures in various locations. The deployment process is less error-prone as it is a guided flow. By using deployment feature, users can save time by setting up the deployment flow with pre-identified critical assets that need to be deployed or tested in a repeatable manner. Deployment supports deploying CDI and CAI assets such as tasks, processes, and their dependents. It also supports deploying platform assets such as schedules, users, groups, etc. Log into Assurance Service and go to Deployment tab. Select the target organization to which the selected assets need to be deployed. Select Required Asset. Multiple asset selection is allowed. The user must select any asset name in order to enable the Deploy button. Click Deploy Now after finishing the asset selection. Enter the selected target organization password and click Next. If the user missed selecting any asset in the initial stage, the asset selection allows users to select multiple assets and deploy them all at once in the target environment. As a result of this, users are able to choose among the asset categories listed from Cloud Data Integration and Cloud Application Integration. After selecting all the required types of assets, click the Next button. On the configuration page, the user can map connections or AI connections, app connections, projects and folders, runtime environment, sequences, task parameters and schedule jobs to the target environment. Click the Next button when the configuration is finished. By using the post-deployment check, here, users can control the asset's post-deployment behavior. Click the Next button after making your selections. Users can review the summary of selected assets on the review page. Once the review is complete, click Save button to save the configurations as a deployment flow. Or, click Deploy button to start a deployment job with the configurations are made. After clicking the Deploy button, a new Job History and Asset Deployment tab will be created. User can click the Refresh button to view the status. The possible statuses are, Failed, Partial Success, or Success. User can also click Download Log icon to view the deployment flow details. The users can view all the saved deployments on the Deployment Flow window. Go to the Deployment tab and click Deployment Flow. Users can deploy assets to the target environment by clicking on the name of the required deployment flow and following the steps outlined earlier in this video. Users can also view more details. Rename the flow's name and description, and then delete the flow.